The last class I told you about the static and initializable block with the practical demo. Today we are going to see the topic called in core Java, that is called Java called as typecasting Java. This is by Nagarjunas Discover system. So we have to know the basic or fundamentals of Java. Then only you can be a successful programmer. So typecasting, so one of the small and easiest concept. Today we are going to see with the practical demo and the execute the program also. Definitely the session will help you to learn what is typecasting and types of typecasting with some example, simple and easy example. Now what is meant by typecasting? It means what? Assigning a value of one type to a variable of another type is known as typecasting. Assigning a value of one type to another variable of another type is known as typecasting, or you can say conversion of one data type into another data type. Remember, conversion of one data type into another data type. Example, for example, I have a variable called I am declaring int x equal 10. I want to another variable statement I am giving here variable byte y is equal to byte of x. That means what? In the x value will be converted to y and taken by the compiler, understand by the compiler and execute it. So like that I can, if you go byte y is equal to x, it will give the compilation error. Instead of making byte of x means the value convert to byte and printed there. Let's go for small example. Under types of typecasting, there are two types of typecastings there. One is called widening casting, or as we can say implicit. Another one called explicit. Explicit only. So let's see the first one. Here, if you understand this one, you have to remember this key diagram. So here you can byte to, that is converting lower casting to the upper cast, higher casting. That's the important definition of typecasting. Implicit or widening casting means what? Converting the lower casting to the lower data type and the higher data type, like that. And moreover, it will done automatically by the compiler. No need to user, no need to anything programmer. So here, you know all of you, byte means what? The size is 8-bit, short means 16-bit, intimate 16-bit, long means 32-bit, here float means 16-bit, and double means and so on, like that. So like that will be there. Let's go for examples, you can clearly understand. Next one, explicit done, where you have I just now told you there is conversion of higher casting, conversion higher data type into lower cast data type. So as you know here, double is the one high, whereas highest data size is there. Data type, that is highest bits like 64 something is there. This having 16 and so on. At last byte having 8-bit only. So this is called narrowing cast or explicitly casting, like that, converting the higher data type into the lower data type. Let's for example, first one, implicit. For example, I am going to write a program called class test, where I am going to write int I is equal to 10, 100 and long L is equal to I. So now and then I am going to write float if is equal to L. So whenever like that give int I is equal to 100 and long L is equal to I means what? The I value will pass to the variable called long L. And also a float f also, the L value will pass to here. L value means that is 100. So whenever try to print the int value, long value, float value, what will the output here? The compiler generate means mostly it won't say error. And I value, you know, that is what? 100. Long value also 100 and float value is 100 plus, but let them go for execution. I get clear idea here. So again the online compiler, just so easy and simple here. Yeah, successfully executed. So it is printing the long value as 100 and float value 100.0. That means what? Automatically converted by the compiler. So instead of 100, it pay 100.0 and so on. Whatever that, it will print like that. So like that you can check the implicit one. Next for another one, explicit type conversion or narrowing conversion, where you have two examples. First example, I am going to write a program called public class test one, like that, and the static void main you know already. Then I am going to write double d is equal to 100.0.4 and long L is equal to long of d, that is So whenever want like that giving, and int I is equal to int of L. So whenever try to give like this, if suppose we give long L is equal to D, what are the combinations? You can try yourself as a programmer and have a develop the knowledge in program means definitely say one error like that. So when you want to convert data type from one high level to low level or one data type another, we need support of the explicit typecasting. So here long L is equal to long of D. That means what happened, the D value will be passed to long, converted successfully, it will be 100.04 like that. Similarly int I is equal to int of L. That means what, the L value will convert to the integer. So that is what, already D value is 100, this will be again to pass D, all are the same value, but how do you execute here? Double value plus D, L and I like that. Let's go for execution. So what kind of output will generate if at all no error here in this Java program? So simple and easy. So converting, if you want to convert like this, you need support of explicit typecasting. Yeah, the program is successfully executed without compilation error. The last pending double value is 100 plus 0.4 as given in the program, and long value 100 and integer value is 100. Successfully converted, and what are the integer value? It will print it here. Next example, somewhat big and easy only. Here I am going to take the demonstrate that the program purpose is conversion of int and double into a byte here. So already byte integer of double value is there. We have converted to the byte layer. That means 8-bit like that. Let's go for program. So byte B I am giving. Then I am going to assign int I is equal to 355 and I am going to assign double D is equal to 423.150. So here B is equal to, I can write B is equal to byte of I. That means what? The I value convert to the byte with the help of explicit conversion. And then system.out.println of conversion of int into the byte. So I can write plus I and plus on B is equal to plus on byte. Similarly, I can write system.out.println for stylish. I am just multiplication symbols, asterisk symbols here, and byte is equal to byte of D. So like that I can give. So program target is what? Conversion of int and double into byte here. So here some integers are I am converting double. So what will happen? You can go see here, and also here system it's over. Then byte is equal to byte of D. Then system.out.println of conversion of double to byte, that is plus D plus B is equal to B is there. Let's go for execution. So we are converting the integer and double into a byte here. That is lowest one. So what I try? Let's go for try. Other part just copying. So just converting with the help of explicit. Remember the important things in implicit. What happened? It automatically convert. You can say automatic conversion also. But in Java, this explicit not possible. The user have to do the things and go for try for execution of program here. Let's go. Yeah, yes. The program is successfully executed. That is conversion of into byte. That is I is equal to I value become 355 and also B value become 99. So remember here B value is 99 coming and also D value coming. So conversion of W to byte coming 423.15 and so on, followed by B is equal to -89. So like that we can do the type conversion, typecasting, that is a higher level to lower level or lower level data type into another different data type. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the post box here, CS channel, and share in the social media, and please stay and connect with me in the upcoming sessions for this Java.